5th Environmental Festival that would be happening at Kala Academy in the Black Box. On the 8th of September would be the inauguration. Chief Minister would be inaugurating the program. Shekhar Dattatri, who is a renowned wildlife filmmaker from Chennai, he is agreed to be our guest of honor for the inaugural. And our regular programs that happen will follow in the course of time. So this year the theme of the festival is Stop, Think and Act. Keeping with the theme in mind, though our regular activities are also there, we have 2 or 3 programs which we have in the morning session. We always reserve it for school session where school children are participating in this. So we start at 7:30, 7:45 with a biodiversity walk every year. This year too we would have a walk. Again, Rotaract Club of Panji is taking it up. In the course of the planning of this, we have also organized, along with ESG, a short film competition, which was a pre-competition. We already have received 55 entries for that, and we would be judging them in coming week. So the response has been very good, and individual, college section and school section, there are 3 categories in which this competition happens, and this is also being conducted over last 3 years. So this is our 3rd year in conducting this competition. The subject for that competition given was pollution. So that would be, we will be screening those films, prize-winning films at the session which is happening with Shekhar Dattatri soon after the inauguration. On 3rd day, we start with the early morning. Again, we have a cycle rally. Which is also our flagship. Since last year we are having a cycle rally. Earlier we used to have nature walk, nature trail, and cycle rally is being taken over by Rotaract Club of Panji.